Ouch.
Encouragement and for your continued support to strengthening primary healthcare systems in the region. So,
from my child health and development department, I wish all the best. Hope may.
Am I audible?
Today we launch the coaching of primary health teams in West Garo Hills. This is our Indian Primary Health Care Support Initiative with IAPH as a partner. The objective of this endeavor is to develop mentors and coaches, which is a primary health care led initiative. So we have primary health care or the primary health PHCs, the doctors from the PHCs who act as the coach to mentor the health and wellness centers that are there under their jurisdiction. The idea is to build rapport, to build team dynamics, to have a kind of a bonding between the PHCs and the SWCs, so that their service delivery is also improved. It is also a kind of mentoring and monitoring from the perspective of the doctors that are there in the primary health centers. But more importantly, it's establishing the rapport between these two very vital community health facilities that are there in Meghalaya. The intervention is for 10 months, and we will be doing this over a period of from October all the way to next year, August. We will be periodically evaluating this intervention and making improvements as we go along. And we are starting the intervention from 28th of October, and we have launched the 2 modules today. Subsequently, another 3 modules will be coming up in the years to come. So we hope that this program is a success. The idea is that the service delivery will improve, the team dynamics in the health and wellness centers will improve, and it will lead to better healthcare services for West Garo Hills. Thank you so much.
you want to